Let's recreate this eyeshadow look. It's super easy. You only need a few eyeshadows. So I'm gonna wipe this off and we're gonna get started. For the first step, I'm gonna use my Lancome concealer. This one is in the shade 511. I'm gonna put that all over my lid. And next I'm gonna blend that with a sponge. I'm only using two shadows. This is the Beauty Bay eyeshadow palette in the shade Manicure, but you really just need a light pink matte shadow. And you're gonna put that all over the lid, mainly focusing on the crease, but it is gonna go all over. And because we want it as pigmented as possible, you do want to pat this eyeshadow in. Next, MAC Paint Pot and Painterly, and that is gonna go on my lid. I'm going in again with the Manicure eyeshadow. And I'm adding more. And using my MAC 217 brush, I'm just gonna blend out the color that we already have there. Now for a little definition for this eye, we're gonna use the Bubblegum shade. And you wanna start up in the front, right underneath your brow. That's where we're gonna focus the color. But all through the crease. But we're using a lot in here. I'm really obsessed with this eyeshadow palette, and especially these two colors. They're so pretty together. Next, I'm gonna use the NYX Epic Ink liner. And we're doing a pretty thick line. So always start here and then go inside. And I'm just doing a half. I'm not going inside. I mean, you could, but I'm not doing that. Now I'm going to go over that black line with a matte black eyeshadow. This liner is a little bit thicker, so I'm going to go back in with the eyeliner. More matte black eyeshadow. And now I'm gonna go in with my Westbourne black eyeliner. This is one of my favorite black eyeliners. It's super smooth and you don't have to press very hard to get it on your waterline. black mascara before we add our lashes. For the lashes, I'm using a pair of Ardell Wispies that I have doubled up. I'm gonna use a little bit more of the bubblegum eyeshadow right in here, kind of up into my brow a little bit. Okay, I put a little bit too much, but okay, I put a little bit too much pink in my brow, so let's fix that. And this is the NYX brow pencil. I love this brow pencil. See how easy that was? Now you try it. Let's do a little more black eyeliner. I'm gonna do a little more on the top too. Okay, there we go. We're done now.